Kia ora, good morning, welcome to Thursday. I am Mike from Markets, this is Kiwibank Markets in a minute, and holy moly, the New Zealand dollar in form overnight. Yeah, the Kiwi had advanced by the better part of 50 points from where we left it yesterday afternoon. 65.76, that was the overnight high. We are just a smidge off that now. But yeah, that's the same highest level since August that we saw at the end of last week. It's a decent advance overnight, but it wasn't decent enough to see the Kiwi take honours for best performing currency. No, that honour went to the Aussie dollar. Yeah, still there's no shame in second place, like the Black Caps. Yeah, or even third place for that matter, like the All Blacks. We can't all be the Silver Ferns, I guess is the moral of that story. Anyway, an outpacing Aussie, that means the Kiwi-Aussie cross dipped. We're back below the 96 cent mark there, but all the other major Kiwi crosses are higher this morning. Yeah, so Kiwi higher, Aussie higher, that's the what, the why. Numerous positive stories floating around on the US-China front, and that's feeding into an improving global growth theme, and that's supporting commodity prices like metals, and that bolsters the Aussie, and that drags the Kiwi along for the ride. I mean, there's probably more to it than that, but that's, yeah. So on that US-China stuff, yesterday we talked about the market being sick of rumours, but as we get closer to the next tariff date, it looks like everyone's jumping back on the rumour wagon. Yeah, nothing like a bit of time pressure. There's even talk of an 11th hour deal of some description getting across the line. Phase 1, Phase 0.5, whatever. The suggestions are floating around that it could be announced on Saturday ahead of the currently scheduled Sunday tariffs. Yeah. The other notable currency mover and shaker overnight, that was the pound. A poll had a slimmer winning margin for Team Boris, and that weighed upon the sterling, but it has since recovered. Yeah. Wider market, not the same buy-in to the US-China rumours. In equities, mild advances across Europe, but pretty steady as she goes for the US. That being said, US markets, they have more on their plate than just trade speculation at the moment. Overnight, we had a headline CPI printing at 2.1%. That's interesting. But the main capturer of attention is the Fed. They are making an interest rate announcement at 8 a.m. this morning. Probably an on-hold announcement. But it's their view of the future path of interest rates that has probably been responsible for keeping equity market participants on the sidelines for the moment. Yeah, and this evening's UK election. Yeah, there are lots of reasons to employ that W3 strategy. Watch, worry, and wait. Unless you're an Antipodean currency, apparently, then you just dive right in. Yeah. Anyway, that is probably enough for me, more than enough, some would say. So have a wonderful Thursday. Ka kite.